Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. We are staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge in Walt Disney World. We actually just checked in, and while the room is still beautiful, before my kids put everything everywhere, I wanted to show you a quick room tour. We are on the 4th floor and our room number is 4401. We actually are facing the main lobby. It's a room category that we've never stayed before. We do have partial water view. Well, I guess it's like a pool view. I'm not sure if I paid for a water view room or just a standard room, but either way, I'm very happy with the room. It's actually so spacious. It's beautiful. It's been quite some time since we've been here in Animal Kingdom Lodge, so it's so nice to be back. Before I flip the camera and show you the room, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. So much Disney content coming your way. You're gonna wanna stick around for sure. And if you found this video helpful or you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel so much. All right, let me flip the camera and show you. All right, so this is right outside our door. The lobby is incredibly busy, but it's okay. So this is our view from the door, and our room number is 4401. And here it is. Okay, so we're starting right at the door. We do have a connecting door here. We have a cupboard with some storage and a safe. Very nice, very spacious. We kind of put some of our things away. They have a steamer, more storage on the bottom. And then they have this coffee station, ice station. We usually put all of our snacks and everything here. That's a lot of coffee. Too bad I don't drink coffee because there's only 2 teas in all of this coffee, but that's okay. And here is a small beverage cooler. So we already put all of our fruits and vegetables in there because my kids love their fruits and vegetables. So this is kind of like a pullback. This is the bathroom. Very spacious, lots of great storage. They said that they were gonna get rid of these H2O products, but they still have them, so enjoy them while you can. Simple to the point. Oh, I think over here they have something different. No, it's still H2O. Okay. How about this one? Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so we came from there. Here you also have a sliding door with a full mirror, which is great. And these are your 2 queen beds. Very spacious. This room has a lot of space, like all of that space in the back there. It's great. So you have more space here, your luggage rack, lots of drawers. Pretty good sized drawers, outlets, USBs, pretty good TV, your little table, and here you have your different lighting. See, that looks very pretty at night. I remember it from last time. It literally looks like a sunset. And then you have all those other lights, a Bible, nice clean linens. We have this book here. I've never seen it before. I don't remember. Maybe it's something new, but it's beautiful. Definitely will flip through it. And this is the room from this side. Very nice. I like this little stand. Did the other side have it? Oh yes, it did. Beautiful. Lots of storage. It's my owner's locker. You got storage underneath for your suitcases. But I think this is very good because you have like storage here, you know, enough space for luggages. You have enough space over here, especially if you're not using the connecting room. So this is great. And then, like I said, you could put bags underneath. And then even if you have little kids who need some space, you can allow them to play here, and then you also can use this to put more luggage, more strollers or double strollers. So very spacious room. Beautiful. All right, let me show you the balcony. All right, I open up the curtains. My guys is sitting there having a snack, and we also put his stroller over here in the corner. The balcony is pretty big, and just sitting right here. I'm sitting all the way on the other side. We put his stroller here because there's plenty of space, and Aiden's enjoying his snacky. And so this is what I was saying, that we have like partially water pool view and a little bit of the roof. So I don't remember if I paid for standard or water view. Definitely not safari. I mean Savannah. It's still nice. It's still beautiful. So I guess all of these rooms over here and a few rooms over there, they're all gonna go over the roof, because everywhere else you have like the clear, not clear, but the, like the see-through balcony railings. It's very nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to show you our beautiful room here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're so excited to stay here. We have 3 nights here. We're doing a split stay. If you didn't watch our other videos, we stayed at Coronado Springs at Gran Destino Tower. I will link some of the videos here. Be sure to check them out. But anyways, we're gonna go and run to the pool and enjoy this gorgeous January 2nd day here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And we'll see you real soon. Bye.